So the first step is going to be visiting the Project Libre website. It is projectlibre.com, and from there you will be able to download software. You do want to note that you don't want to get this Project Libre Cloud. That's a paid service, even with the trial. May not have enough time, so just go straight up to the products category there and select Project Libre Open Source. From there, you can see that takes you to that products page, and you just click the download button. That's going to take you to the SourceForge website. So don't be alarmed, this isn't spam or anything. This is just a third-party service. Remember that Project Libre is open source. So the SourceForge website hosts the download. So just go ahead and click the green download button there. That is going to give you that little delay countdown, and your download will start. Now, once your download starts and finishes, go ahead and, depending on your operating system, select however you install that software. The first time you open the Project Libre software, you'll get this license agreement. So you want to read through that completely and then click the I accept button if you do so accept. From there, you just want to register your copy of the software. You can opt out of any email, spam alerts, whatever. Type in your email address and click OK. Now, it starts with this little tip of the day item. You could go directly to the close button and just start using the product, but if you don't want to see these reminders every time you open, then deselect that box on the left, show tips on startup, and then select close.